Hey, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a shirt mockup with Placeit.net. So first, you got to go to Placeit.net, make an account, and after you make an account, you're going to log in and you're going to go to the top and it's going to say Mockups. You're going to just highlight over this, and then after that, you want to go to Apparel, and then you want to go to Apparel again. So after that, you're gonna notice that there's all these mockups that you can choose from. There's one with people and there's one with just blanks. With a background, like this one right here on the top. And then after that, all you have to do is just scroll down and pick the mockups that you like. The one thing you just want to make sure is that the shirt that you have, make sure it's the correct style. One of the things I noticed, a lot of these shirts are different styles. So this looks like more of a women's style. This is for men, maybe it's unisex. And so you just want to make sure that it matches close enough to your shirt style. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Bella Canvas because that is the shirt material that I'm using. And so as I scroll down, I notice that these are all Bella Canvas. This really fits my shirt style that I'm trying to use. So I'm going to just scroll down and look for a mockup. So I see one that I want to use. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to click on it. And when you're here, you're going to see the image pop up. You want to go to the left side and then just press Insert Image. And I'm at the part where I'm adjusting it now, so I want to make this a little bit bigger. I have a white font, so I just want to make sure that I can see it correctly. This looks good. Maybe raise it up a little bit, and I'm going to crop it. Alright, so I uploaded it, and so this is not my shirt color, so I'm gonna make sure that I do black. That looks good, and I noticed that the shirt, I should say the font is a little bit big, so I'm gonna adjust this again. So I'm gonna go to resize. I'm gonna resize it. Alright, that looks a lot better. So that looks great to me. And then I just want to go to the top. So I went to the top and I'm gonna press download. And this window is gonna pop up right here. It's gonna say my downloads, and I'm just gonna wait until it processes. I'm gonna click this to download it. I also have a gray shirt that I want to use as well, so I'm gonna choose dark gray. So I'm just gonna make sure to choose the one that matches my shirt color. And the one I think that matches the best is probably this one right here, just to make sure it's gray. But if you want the exact color, you can do more and then type in the color code right here. So I also noticed that there's not a lot of Bella Canvas shirts. So what you can do is find other shirts that are close to it. So I'm just gonna uncheck this. And now as you can see, there's more shirt options. So what I'm gonna do is just filter this. So go to the left side and then just find the shirt section. So it says here, t-shirt. I'm gonna click on this. And then you can do the same process. You just have to find the shirt that matches your style. So for this example, I'm just gonna do this one right here with the gentleman right here. So I'm gonna click on this. And then the same process. I'm gonna insert the image. I'm gonna adjust it and then press crop. After that, I'm gonna go to shirt color and I'm gonna go to black. That looks good, so I'm gonna download this. And again, if I have a gray shirt, I'm gonna just go to the gray section right here. And that is close, but maybe I just want it a little bit darker or lighter, so I'm gonna just adjust this a little and then press choose. And that looks good. I'm gonna press download.